beautiful, stylish sanctuary. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are tired of looking at a worn-down dirt path or patchy grass in your backyard, you are in luck today. We are breaking down the absolute best inexpensive stepping stone walkway ideas that will elevate your landscaping without emptying your wallet. You do not need to spend thousands of dollars on professional stone masons to get a stunning luxury walkway. Stick around because we are going to show you how a few budget-friendly materials, a little bit of creativity, and a single weekend afternoon can turn your garden into a high-end oasis. An inexpensive stepping stone walkway refers to a low-cost, highly accessible landscaping feature created by spacing individual flat stones, concrete pavers, or natural flagstones apart along a path, often surrounded by budget-friendly filler materials like gravel, mulch, or ground cover grass. Choosing a stepping stone layout is one of the smartest landscaping moves you can make because it offers massive design flexibility at a fraction of the cost of a solid poured concrete or interlocking paver patio. Not only do these paths protect your lawn from heavy foot traffic and prevent muddy shoes from ruining your home, but they also introduce beautiful textures, organic curves, and structural interest to your yard. It is the perfect beginner-friendly DIY project that adds instant curb appeal on a tight budget. Hardscaping isn't known for being budget-friendly, but you can add structure to your yard on the cheap if you look into inexpensive stepping stone walkway ideas. Stepping stone garden paths are relatively simple to DIY in terms of walkways, as you won't have to lug heavy mounds of gravel or be too precise with your stone laying if you don't want to. Keep your style preferences, the size of your path area, and your skill level in mind to ensure you set realistic expectations. Whether you are looking for some aesthetic small garden design inspiration or a functional and wallet-friendly DIY garden path to navigate through your yard's dense greenery, check out these 15 inexpensive stepping stone walkway design ideas. One. Freeform stepping stone path. If you're going for an imperfect cottage feel with your stepping stone walkway, consider selecting a flagstone path like this one. The stones are known for being affordable, and their arrangement here is loose and organic, with plenty of room for moss and grass to grow between and soften the edges of each stone. Skipping out on the filler material here is both an intentional design choice and a charming cost-saving measure. 2. Short linear footpath. A few evenly spaced rectangular pavers will create a clean and linear garden path design. This design seems to use 12 inches by 24-inch natural stone pavers, which you can scoop up from your local home improvement store for as little as $10 per stone, depending on the material. The result: a clear, inexpensive stepping stone walkway idea that keeps folks from trampling your flowers. 3. Traffic directing stepping stone path. A few strategically placed, large and rectangular stones will get the job done without upping your material's cost, especially if you skip the filler material. Here, small rocks are instead used to designate a container garden area. They are easy to lay so long as you keep your edge straight, and are a functional means to direct traffic to areas of interest in your yard. 4. Modern bleached stone walkway. Wide rectangular stones always look chic and elegant, but they are also super functional thanks to their larger surface area. A lighter beige tone offers a warmer look than the typical gray stone options, and this elevated look often comes with a higher price tag. If you are designing a small path, travertine stones might be within your budget. For larger paths, look into porcelain pavers that mimic the stone's look. 5. Patio flanking walkway. Adding a decorative stone pathway alongside your patio can be an inexpensive way to extend its reach. In this backyard, the widely spaced stones beside the stairs down from this raised patio help draw the eye down and, of course, can pose a practical use to get pool goers into the house without stepping on the grass and dirt. Plus, opting for a path design like this is much less expensive in terms of materials than a fully stoned one with no space. 6. Gravel path stepping stones. A gravel pathway will stand up to heavy foot traffic well, but adding a few pavers to form a designated path will add form and function without much extra cost. The pavers can provide a steadier walking experience, especially if your path sits on an incline. The gravel will also help hold the pavers in place without much extra intervention. 7. Stepping stone entrance. If you are faced with a horizontal walkway at the front of your home, you can use a few flagstones or pavers to create a vertical sightline and walking path to your front entry. It will bring intentionality and curb appeal to your yard without much extra effort. And if you have room in your budget, flank it with garden beds as seen here. 8. Petite garden path. Yes, stepping stone walkways provide a functional means to navigate through expansive garden beds, but you can also use them simply for aesthetic reasons. Here they break up a small square of garden surrounded by a stone patio. It adds a third, low level of interest to this petite pocket of plantings, which gets a midpoint of elevation from a water feature and high points from feathery flowers. The resulting look is a feast for the eye. 9. Circular stone path. Circular pavers bring a whimsical look to your garden. Plus, you don't have to fuss with laying them too straight or in a semi-interlocking fashion. You can scoop up a similar stone in a stamped concrete format, which will cost you under $10 per paver in most cases, so this is a super wallet-friendly option. Allow ground cover, plants, and other foliage to grow up around the stones naturally to keep the look every bit as no fuss as it is. 10. Stone walkway. Lay a base of stones for your stepping stone walkway to help ground pavers as well as keep them level and from moving around. The larger river rocks shown here feel a little more contemporary and intentional than gravel, though both work equally as well. Additionally, the softer, smoother silhouette of these stones brings a wonderful contrast to angular rectangular pavers. Be sure to replenish your rocks if you notice your supply getting low. 11. Gravel garden path. If your path needs to cover a lot of ground or if you might require multiple paths, consider a larger fill of gravel with one thoughtfully placed stone path. The gravel is easy to walk on if you need to access numerous beds and planters, and a handful of freeform-style patio stones can establish a route to your door. The softness of the gravel and organic edges of the stones work well together visually. 12. Path of stone pairs. A single line of stepping stones is an inexpensive walkway idea for your yard or garden, but placing the stones roughly 2 by 2 provides a more impactful look. This style of path would look right at home in an English cottage, with lush grass sprouting in between each stone. Just be sure to nestle each stone securely in the ground by removing the layer of grass under them. This keeps your stones from jostling underfoot or becoming tripping hazards. 13. Offset stepping stone walkway. Offset your path pavers to create a more detailed pattern. You can space them out evenly or place them edge to edge as seen here. The resulting look feels almost like an iteration of a hopscotch grid. To soften the design's geometry a little, you can lay stones or gravel around it with metal edging to keep the overall lines crisp. 14. Leaf-shaped stepping stones. Use your walkway to add a dose of whimsy to your garden by choosing stamped concrete pavers in fun designs. These leaf-shaped stepping stones feel plucked from an enchanted forest, yet still function well as a means to keep feet out of the garden beds. It truly makes your path a focal point for very little cost. Since most decorative pavers like this are formed out of concrete, they will usually still cost less than slabs of natural stone. 15. Natural stone path. Try natural stone as an inexpensive stepping stone walkway idea if you have a very small area you need to create a path through that doesn't get much foot traffic. The natural peaks and valleys on the surface of each stone add texture and visual appeal, but can be tougher to grip underfoot if conditions are slippery. Flagstone is not inexpensive, but it does run at a lower cost than a natural stone like granite. Transforming your garden paths does not have to be an expensive or overwhelming chore. By combining simple, accessible materials like concrete pavers with a surrounding border of natural river rock or pea gravel, You can achieve a highly manicured, modern aesthetic entirely on your own terms. Whether you prefer a clean-line geometric path or a winding, natural stone trail, these inexpensive designs give you the power to define the flow of your outdoor living spaces beautifully. If these budget-friendly walkway ideas gave you the itch to start a backyard project this weekend, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for Homes Decor Designs. We want to hear from you. Drop a comment down below and let us know which stepping stone design you are planning to build. Be sure to click that notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly exterior decor guides. And we will catch you in our next video.